I think that happens with a lot of people. You just think you need the power, but at some point you need the cable to charge your devices as well. You know, I have to say, these are the one thing. If there's any accessory outside of a battery pack that you need a nice portable cable that you can't lose and something that you take with you all the time, just like we do with our keys. Here's a great tip. If you want to make some friends, get all the different types of Urbo power charging cables so that no matter who you're with, you could always give them a little boost with your battery pack and your cable that you have on you all the time. Retails for about, what, $15?
Yeah,
so you gotta check this out. It's a must-have, great accessory, great gift idea. You gotta check this out from the folks over at Urbo. It's their Keyring charger.